this train will stop at Flint Street only. So we are currently at Jolimont Station, which is the first station on the Mernda and Hurstbridge lines heading outbound from the city, which is basically right there, where the big building is. And this station opened on the 21st of October 1901, and the station is one of two closest stations to the MCG, which is down that way. And the other one is Richmond. And the original timber station building was manufactured in England in 1899, and in the late 1920s it was sold and re-erected in Canberra on the site of the present Jolimont Centre, and after being damaged by a fire it was demolished in 1977, and additional entrances and exits were provided in 1973, and in 1985 the station was renamed to Jolimont MCG. And at the time it was noted that the station was unique in that no advertising was permitted on the station site according to the construction finance contract. And the station comprises of side platforms right here, and you can hear the trams above, up there. Yeah, the station is really peaceful as well. Bye. And so you can see that we're at the exit of Jolimont Station, and you can see additional entrances are open during events at the MCG. And this is the a ramp which heads up this way. And you can get an excellent view of Jolimont Station if you're on this footbridge. There's route 75, there's the tram route 75, because said 2008. Yeah, this train is a Eldom service. this train's next stop will just be Flint Street only. And there's something really interesting about here. This is another spot where you can film trains on this road bridge here. This way. See, this is a nice spot to view the trains. So it's going to Central Pier by Flinders Street. This one is heading to Belmont South by Bridge Road. Get off, wait for it to depart. Now we are on the road bridge over the railway right here. And you can see the tunnel right there where the trains come out of, but there's something really interesting about this, is that you can see the closest crossover right here. That was used to allow trains to head from Mernda, from Epping or Hurstbridge, and head into the city loop right here. But in 2008, the city loop became, the Clifton City Circle Tunnel became one-way operation. So originally it was bi-directional, but now it's become one-way operation only. So this crossover is not used anymore. Which is really interesting. Bye. This train will basically stop at Flinders Street only because of what I told you about that crossover earlier. And so now we just came down from the station footbridge, and now we're in this little resident area right here, which is obviously near the MCG. Here. And this is part called Yard Park. If you turn left here, it gets you to Queen's Walk that way. If you keep heading straight, it gets you to the MCG. This one is Marathon Way, and that is Olympic Promenade. And here, and the rail is behind it. It's the main line heading towards Richmond. So MCG is obviously that way. National Sports Museum is 200 metres that way. Melbourne Park is 590 metres behind the MCG, and Gate 3 is 200 metres that way. So yeah, it's quite a complex area, sport arenas to navigate through. Bye.
Get an extra loop here rather than Fitzroy.
And Jolimont Station is down that way, where the main station building is. Now, so we're heading down this way towards platform 1. There are more entry-exit gates. Train is going to leave now. This reaches us out of platform 2. The next train is in 10 minutes, or a Mernda train. And so we're still on platform 1 of Jolimont Station, which is obviously the city-bound platform. And if you look at this, you can see that it says next train right here. So this was used to allow passengers to know when the next train is, but that is not used anymore. Instead, they're replaced by the LCD PID system, which is yeah, it's quite amazing to see the old PIS still there, even though it's not LED. But now we are in the concourse level of platform 1. And you can see the tram PIS up here, which is obviously used for the tram stop nearby. So one of the routes that pass through here is 75, running between Vermont South and Central Pier, and the other is Route 48, running between Victoria Harbour Docklines and North Baldwin. So trams, I believe, run every 10 to 15 minutes, so yeah. Now, we're still on the outside of platform 1, and this is where I showed you Yarra Park. And now we're heading up towards a footbridge, which is up here. And this is another entrance. There's an empty train coming in. It's not stopping here. It's only 3 cars. Now it's quite rare to see a 3-car train on a Mernda and Hurstbridge lines. And now we're heading towards the secret footbridge. Now it's really quite rare to see a 3-car train on the Clifton Hill group lines, which are obviously the Mernda and Hurstbridge lines. But that one was not in service, so it did stop, but it didn't pick up passengers. It's quite rare. And you can see this is the footbridge on the left. So we'll go up here and I'll show you this footbridge. These are the steps up here. You get another excellent view of the station. Now there are some steps right here, but these are wet, so I don't want to go on. Now there are some steps right here, but these are really wet because of the rain last night. And it's a secret entrance into Jolimont Station, which no one has heard this one. It's up here.